Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can redirect our URL to another URL if we required. For example, suppose I am at the home here. If I click on about button here, clicking on about button, we have this about page. But we want to redirect from here to another page in this website or some other website. Then how we can do in Next.js, that we are going to learn. For that, here I go to under web in about. You see, I have this about here. So in about directory, we have page.tsx. Remember that? So I want to redirect from this about to some other page. So under this, I need to create a file route.tsx. This file I'm creating here. Under this, I need to create get REST API like this. I do this and I export this, export get like this I do. And for redirecting this, I need a redirect from navigation. So we redirect this and here I pass the URL. So I say localhost. So I copy the URL from here, you see, and I will pass this to dashboard. If I click on about page, remember that. So I go there and here I pass this URL. So I want to redirect to dashboard if someone click on about. So I click on home here. Now I click on about like this. And you see that I'm clicking on about. In place of opening this about page.tsx, this route is working and it redirecting to the dashboard. Once again, you see that I am on this home page. If I click on about, because of route.tsx, this about page is not opening and it redirecting my request to dashboard, because I have given here that it redirect to the dashboard. Remember that. If you want to go to other outside link, you can also pass here YouTube, Gmail, whatever you want. So that redirect function will reach to the particular URL which you are passing inside this. Remember that. It's a small concept, but sometime we require this type of facility in our web page. So you can implement this by using this route handler to redirect it. That's all in this video. If you learn something new, something interesting, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this.